try this at home. Oh. This is me losing or trying to get into the T&G 106 with the speaker. The video is already on the channel, so you can go check that out. If you want to see the review when it's still in section or when it's still in good working condition. Successfully crack it open. This is the bass booster, so you just be playing it, you just be the sound will be bouncing on it. That will give it that bass kind of feel. These are some things. I'm not jerry rig everything, but I tend to know some of these components. But here's the speaker, this is where the sound is directly coming from. Then this is the battery, and this is the problem because the battery never lasts. It never lasts. Very tiny-ish kind of battery, 1200 milliamp hour. So don't expect much. And this is totally the teardown of the speaker. If you want to see more videos like this, just give this a thumbs up, then subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then.